Hey guys, what's going on? This is Wise back with another Revit tutorial. So in this quick Revit tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make cameras in Revit. So let's say I'm in architecture tab right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my floor 1 plan. Okay, and then we're gonna create a camera. Okay, so on the top you've got this birdhouse in there. So you click on this arrow button. So you've got three options: default 3D view, which is that one. You can see that in a project browser as well, but I want to create a new one. So I'm gonna double click on floor 1 to go back to floor 1, and then click on this arrow button and create camera. You can access that camera command from view, and then click here. You got create camera, right? So once you create the camera, you got to make sure that your perspective is on, because it's going to give you a perspective view. And then next you got offset. So I want to create a camera from floor 1. So the camera would be on the height of from floor 1 at 5 feet 6 inch. So you can change that as well. So I want to look my building from 6 feet, right? So I can change that 6 feet, and then I have to zoom out a little bit and then click to create a camera, and just move your cursor wherever you want to look at. Okay, so I want to look at my building, so I'll click here now. So this is what we have right now. So I'm going to explain some properties of that camera as well, and then you can see that in a 3D view we got 3D view 1. Let me just rename that. So right click and you can rename that right there. So let's say house rendering. Okay, and then this is the view we have. Alright, so let's have a look at the properties now. If you click on this detail level, you can change that to fine coarse. So you got the same option here. Okay, if you click here, you got fine coarse, the same options here. Click on visibility and graphics, and here in the view you can change what you want to see. Let's say if I don't want to see the walls, okay, so I'll go down and then uncheck walls, apply, and now you can see that I've got the building there, roof, pillars, and rest all the stuff there, but the walls are basically disappeared. The wall didn't go away from the 3D view or any of the other view, but it just disappeared from house rendering view, which is really good. So you can look at this visibility and graphics dialog box, which gives you a lot more options. So I want to turn back on my walls now. I have another video in which I have explained dialog box deeply, so check that out if you want to learn about it. And I'm gonna click OK now, and just want to show you one more thing here. You got your eye elevation and target elevation. So right now I'm at 6 feet 9 inch, so I can change that to 6 feet, and I want to keep my target about, let's say, 3 feet. So I'll be looking from 6 feet towards 3 feet. So that's how now you can see that our view has been changed. Down here you can change the name, and that's about it. And there's one more option I want to show you here. It's called section box. So if you check that, click on apply, now you got the box around your view, right? So if I select this box, and let's say I've got these two vertex, top, bottom, left and right. So if I want to click here and just drag it down, and now it's basically cutting the section from the building. So this is pretty cool that you can make a section from your view. So I'm gonna bring it back to, okay, so I've got that, and now I'm gonna click apply and then go back to our house rendering view, and I'm gonna turn off this section box. Click apply. Alright, so there's another thing we can do here. There's an option called navigation wheel. So if you click on it, and then you got a few options here, it will follow your cursor. If you want to zoom into the view, you can click and then move your cursor up, it's going to zoom in. I'm going to leave my mouse button and then it will come back. So I want to pan now, click and just pan. Alright, there's another orbit option there, so I can orbit that as well, and I can walk towards the building, or I can walk opposite to the building. So as you can see that I'm walking basically. So this is pretty cool. And I want to pan around one more time and just orbit that to make it a bit straight, and then click on pan. Alright, so this is what we have right now. Okay, so you've got your rewind option. Whatever the changes you made in that mouse wheel will show you the previous steps. Okay, and then you got your look. So if you want to look from bottom or from top, you can change that as well. And you got your center. If you click here, it's going to basically center that building, right? So I'm just gonna bring it back. So go rewind, and come back. Yep, and leave that there. And I'm gonna click cross to get rid of that navigation box. Alright, so let me go and change that to realistic to show you guys what we have. It's gonna ask me to save the project, and now this is what we have. Alright,